Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to discuss rational numbers exercise 4.5. Sixth one. State the greater number. State the greater number in each pair. Okay. So 2.3 comma 5 by 3. So 2 by 3 is a decimal, you keep it as it is. Just you convert that 5 by 3 into decimal form. After that you compare the number which is greater, you will say. Okay. So first you divide this 5 by 3. 5 divided by 3. How many times it occurs? One time. 1 3s are 3. Now you subtract this. 5 minus 3, what you will get? 2. So we can't divide. So keep the decimal and add 1 0. In 20, how many 3s are there? 6. 6 3s are 18. Now subtract this, what you will get? 20 minus 18, 2. Okay. Now we can't divide, we already kept the decimal. So you add 1 0. Now it becomes 20. In 20, how many 3s are there, children? 6. 6 3s are 18. Now subtract this, what you will get? 2. Add 1 0, 20. So 6 3s are 18. So is repeating. Okay, 6 is repeating indefinitely. So you can start this. Okay, so 2.3. So we are going to find out which is greater. We are going to compare. So 5 by 3. While divide this number, what you are getting? 1.66. It goes on. Okay, how can you write this here? Look at the second digit is greater than 5. Okay, so you can add it, approximate value 1.7. Okay, now you compare here 2.3, here 1.6 bar. Okay, or else you can write it 1.7. 1.7 or you can write it 1.7. This is approximation value. Okay, so here you see here 2.3, 1.6, which is greater? Here whole number is 2, here whole number is 1. To compare this 2 and 1, which is greater? 2.3 is greater. Okay, so here therefore what is the answer? The greater number is 2.3. Do you understand, children? First we need to convert into decimal form. After that we have to compare the numbers. Okay, after converting this we are getting 1.6 it goes on. So you can write it 1.6 bar. Okay, if bar is represent, this number will goes repeatedly, indefinitely it will goes. Okay, so or else approximate value is 1.7. Now you compare the numbers. 2.3, 2 is a whole number. Here 1 is a whole number. So in these two, 2.3 is greater. So the greater number is 2.3. Do you understand, children? See the next one. 10 by 3, comma 3 by 4. First you convert into decimal form. 10 by 3. First you take it this. 3 3s are 9. Subtract this 1. Keep the decimal. Add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Subtract this. What you will get? 1 0 you add it. 3 3s are 9. So the remainder never become 0. So 10.3 equal to 3.3 bar. Okay. And next 3 by 4 you find out. 3 dividing by 4. So we can't divide. So keep the decimal, add 0. In 30, how many 4s are there? 7 4s are 28. Now subtract this, what you will get? 2 0. Okay. How many 4s are there in 20? 5 times. 5 4s are 20. Subtract this, what you will get? 0. So 3 by 4. What is the answer? 0.7. 0.75. Now you compare the number 3.3 bar 0.75. Which is greater, children? Here, how can you write this? 3.3 bar is goes on. You look at the whole number, then you decide which is greater. Okay. So here the whole number is 3. This is 0. So which is greater? 3.3 bar is greater. Okay. So therefore, what is the answer? The greater number is 10 by 3, because this original question is 10 by 3. Okay, 3.3 bar is equal to 10 by 3. So the greater number is 10 by 3. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one, 7th one. Subtract 5 by 6 from 9 by 7. We are going to subtract and express the difference in the decimal form. We have to do two things. First, we have to subtract. After that, we convert into decimal form. Okay, children. First, you subtract, children. Usually, the subtraction after the from, what should be the, that we will write first. Okay. So, 9 by 7 minus 5 by 6. Okay, see the denominator. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. Okay, here any other common factors are there except 1? 7 and 6. There is no common factor except 1. So what do you want to do? You just multiply the number directly. That is the LCM. So LCM equal to 7 6 are 42. Now you convert this. So common denominator is 42. See the first term, the denominator is 7. So you multiply with 6. Second term, denominator is 6. So multiply with 7. So 9 6 are 54 minus 5 7s are 35. Okay. Now subtract this. 14 minus 5 you get 9. 4 minus 3, 1 divided by 42. Okay. So now we are going to convert this number into decimal form. Okay. So how we are going to divide this? Here 19 is the dividend, 42 is the divisor. Okay. So now we are going to divide this. 19 divided by 42. So here divisor is greater, so we can't divide this. So what do you want to do? If you want to divide, just keep the decimal and add 1 0. Okay. So in 190, how many 42s are there? 4 times. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. Now subtract this. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay. Next you add 1 0. 220. In 220, how many 42s are there? 5 times. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 0, remaining 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now you subtract this. 220 minus 210, you will get 10. Next you add 1 0, 100. In 100, how many 42s are there? 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now you subtract this, what you will get? 16. Now you add 1 0. Okay, 160. In 160, how many 42s are there? 3 times. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Now you subtract this, what you will get? 10 minus 6, you get 4. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. Next you add 1 0. In this, how many times it occur? 42, 8 times. Okay. So what is the answer? 8 2s are 16, 6, remaining 1. 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. Now subtract this. What you will get? 340 minus 336 equal to 4. If you subtract this, what you will get? 4. So 4 by 42, we can't divide. So you add 1 0. Now it becomes 40. 40 divided by 42 we can't do. So you add 1 0 to the quotient place and add 1 0 here. Okay. Now it becomes 400. In 400, how many 42s are there? 9 times. So 9 2s are 18. So 8, remaining 1. 8, remaining 1. And next 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. Now you subtract this. What you will get? 22. 22. Okay. So 22 we can't divide. So just add 1 0. Now it becomes 220. How many times it occurs? 5 times. Okay. So 5 times what you will get, children? 5 into 42. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 0 remaining 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now you subtract this, what you will get? 10. You see here. So we already get this number 220. So after that the same steps only will repeat. Same steps only will repeat. So you can start the division. Okay. So what is the answer? What is the answer you are getting? While dividing 9 by 42, we are getting 0.4523809. After that 5 is repeating, no? So after these numbers should be repeat. So you have to put the bar. So under the bar, what are the numbers will be that? That number is repeating indefinitely, so that you can start the division. So what is the answer? While dividing 19 by 42, what you are getting? 0.4523809. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Simplify minus 25 by 16 into 12 by 5, divide 3 by 2 into 4 by 12. Okay, so we are going to simplify this. First, you simplify the bracket. Minus 25 by 16 into 12 by 5, divide 3 by 2 into 4 by 12. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Okay. Likewise 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. See here, 5 3s are 15 minus 15 by 4 ones are 4 divided by the numerator 1 is there, denominator 2 is there. Now the division is there. The divisions I am going to change multiplications. Instead of divisions I am going to multiply. If I want to multiply, I have to take the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Now 2 ones are 2, sorry, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So now multiply this minus 15 by 2. So what is the answer, children? Minus 15 by 2. You understand, children? See the next one. So ninth one, in a class test, Ajay answered 2 by 5 of the questions correctly. Ananya answered 5 by 8 of the questions correctly. And Jyoti answered 5 by 10 of the questions correctly. Find out who answered the maximum number of questions correctly. Okay. So here 3 students are given. Ajay answered 2 by 5 of the questions. Ananya answered 5 by 8 of the questions. And Jyoti answered 5 by 10 of the questions. We are going to find out who answered the maximum number of questions. So we need to find out out of these 3 numbers, which is greater, we need to find out. That student should answer maximum number of questions. Solution. Here what are the numbers are there? 2 by 5, 5 by 8 and 5 by 10. See the denominator 5, 8, 10. Okay. So we have to take LCM. So LCM of 5, 8 and 10 is, we are going to find 5, 8, 10. First divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 8 you write as it is, 5 twos are 10. Divide by 2, 1, 4 twos are 8, 1. Divide by 2. So 1, 2 twos are 4, 1. Again divide by 2, 1, 1, 1. Now multiply 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40. So the LCM is 40. Now I am going to convert all the numbers as denominator 40. First you take it 2 by 5. Which number you multiply, you will get 40, children? 8. So 8 5s are 40. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 8 2s are 16 by 40. Next, 5 by 8 into 5 by 5, because 8 5s are 40. So 25 by 40. Next number is 5 by 10. Multiply by 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 by 40. Now denominators are same. Now you compare that numerator, which is greater. 25 is the greater. Okay. So what is the 25 by 40? Who's answered this? 5 by 8 is 5 by 8 of the question. Who answered? Ananya. Who answered this? Who is that 5 by 8? So 5 by 8 of the questions is maximum. Maximum questions answered. Who is that? Ananya. So what is the answer? Here, you write it in the order, which is first greater. 25 by 40 greater than 25 by 40 greater than 16 by 40. So which is the maximum? 25 by 40 is the maximum. What is the original number? 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 of the question, who answered? Ananya. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Ananya answered maximum number of questions. Do you understand, children? Who answered maximum number of questions? Ananya. First, we have to convert all the denominators as same. After that, you compare the number. Here, 25 is the greater. 25 is represented 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8 only we converted 25 by 40. So, 5 by 8 of the questions, who answered? Ananya. So, Ananya is the answer. Okay, children? You understand? See the next question. If 2 into 3 by 4 meter cloth is required to stitch a shirt, find out how many shirts can be made. How many shirts can be made from 13 3 by 4 meter of cloth. Here total length of the cloth is given and length of cloth required for a shirt is given. We need to find out number of shirts. Okay. So, total length of a cloth equal to 13 3 by 4 meter. Let's convert into improper. 4 into 13, 52, 52 plus 3, 55 by 4 meter. Next, length of cloth required for a shirt. Equal to 2 3 by 4 meter. So 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 meter. Now we are going to find number of shirts. Number of shirts equal to total length of your cloth divided by length of cloth required for one shirt or for a shirt. Now substitute the value. Total length of your cloth is 55 by 4 divided by 11 by 4. We need to divide this. So what you will get? 55 by 4 into, take the reciprocal, 4 by 11. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 11 ones are 11, 11 fives are 55. So 5. So what is the answer? Number of shirts equal to number of shirts equal to 5. Okay, 5 shirts can be made. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.